There's some ignition switch in the Fiesta is playing up. So I've bought a new switch for it. And we're going to give it a crack at changing it. So I reckon the tools we need, we'll need a couple of screwdrivers for, you know, prying plastics. The old Torx T20 I think I use. We'll see how we go. And probably a container like that full of patience. Oh no, someone's left that open. Okay, so we've got no patience. All right, so we'll just hook in and see how we go with this. So there's no resistance with the key, you know, like it's spring loaded for it to start and then return. So there's no resistance to that. So I've bought a new tumbler, barrel and switch. So I'm going to see which one it is. And I can't find it on YouTube. So this, well, let's explore together. Alrighty. Freaking car. I've got the column half apart. Sorry, the cover half apart. We'll see how we go. For the lower cover to come off, the switches have got to come out. And they're not held in by screws, because that'd make sense. But it's held in by a clip. You've got to fish in the back, in behind him, and then just jam it in and wiggle it, and then it'll just pop out. And then of course then there's the one little wire that you got to disconnect as well. So that's sort of what you're chasing. That little springy thing is what holds it in. And now that bottom cover will come off like that, like that, like that. Why won't that come off? Because it's easy. These stupid little cars, I tell you. Hang on, I'll get back to you. So there's the new bit, and your old bit is with the blue switch on him. So let's see if we can prise that off gently, because you know, these were built to last. Oh, there we go. Goodness me. Okay, so that's, hey, let's try something. Oh, I can't turn that with anything. If I plug the new one in, just for giggles. Turn on key. Now that's not going to do it. What if we turn that on? How come there's nothing there now? No dash lights. Oh, that's why there's no dash lights. I think my battery's flat. Now that I've established, well, that my new switch works, I'll take out the old one and then I'll bung the new one in and we'll see how we go. I've got my battery on charge. So we'll see how it goes. So you need your little geezer. And down in here, where is he? That blue, that's the blue switch. There's a little, looks like there's a little tab on the top. Sorry, I'm a postman, I'm not a cinematographer. Oh, that worked. Did it? And there should be one underneath, I guess. You just yank it, see what happens. So confused at the moment. Give me a second. Update. So I'll depress the top one. Oh, camera work is awesome. There we go. I depressed the top one, and then I just ham-fisted it and pulled it, and then it falls out. So we'll bung in the new one. We'll see what happens. I just took this geezer out just to give me a bit more room. So now that fella, Oh, look, there's the little Dilbury from the key. So we're in off. We're in off. Let's just jam that in there and see what happens. Jam may not be the appropriate word. Click, click. So by rights. Now, when you turn the key, one, there's two. It never had that before. And then start. Goodness me. Now to put the plastic back together. I'm sure that's going to be fun. Anyway. How much did I pay for that part? I bought that off the eBay. I feel like I paid 35 Australian off the eBay. And I bought the barrel as well. I think all up it was 60 for the pair. So my problem with what it was doing is clearly this thing. I hope that's in shot. So that's off position on, and there's no spring. Off, no spring to start it. If you get violent with it, 1, 2, oh, still no spring. So even getting violent with it. Oh, it's just junk. Plastic parts. There we go. There's yeah, now it's not gonna do it again. No, let's just check it. Oh, keys are out. Let's just check it again just to be on the. Oh, without doubt, fixed. All right, maybe I won't burn it. Right now, we'll see if we can put him back together without losing our temper. Should have seen me taking it off. Anyway. Hang on. Can't see anything. Here we go. Does that... Do I have to put that in first? Oh, here we go. Oh, maybe. Hang on. Plastic stuff. Maybe I'll just run it without the column cover. For that. Oh, it's got to be up in there for. Oh, found it. Alright, here we go. So it's got to come this way a fraction. That lines up with that. Let's just put that there. That lines up with that. That's there. We need that wire. Look, rookie mistake. That's for the radio control, so we need that poking out of there. And you can see where the radio controls go into that, so it'll just snap into there. Where did I put the radio controls? Oh, down there, here they are. Crap everywhere, I tell you. So let's plug him in. Only one way, you reckon? Surely. Yeah, sure. And then that'll just, pardon the back of my head. And as easy as that, oh, here we go. All right, look at that. She's just got two little, you can't see squat, can you? There's two little flat bits, I suppose. Okay, that should just click in, I imagine. Yeah. With a confident click it goes. With a confident click it goes in. There was no click. So that's probably in place, I'd say. Well, the top bit. So the top bit will go. A bit of a rubbery bit on there. That probably keeps your lollies from falling down the back there. And then just jiggle, I imagine. Oh, no? Yeah? Does it just clip together? One would think. What the? Why the? Bro. Yeah, that'll just slide. Oh, hang on. Did that do it? No? Oh, look, there's a thing there at the front. Didn't even know that was there. Oh, righto. That might have helped coming off. That there, you can push him with your thing to get him off. Oh, I just ham-fisted it. Just ripped it. Should be right. And then you've got 3 screws to go underneath, of which now I only have 2. Alright. I suppose if 2 don't hold it, 3 never would have. Where did I put? How can you lose tools when you're sitting in one spot doing the job? You're kidding me. Where's the... This is truly amateur hour. What the... Is that it? 215, negative. Where did I put it? Am I sitting on it? That's possible. Oh, there it is. Of course, it's right. Oh, you're kidding me. Okay, stop looking. I found it. I haven't found the other screw, but I found the thing to... Just jam that up in there, I suppose. And will it find its... No. Oh, grabbed it. There it is. One down. Let's go with the front, let the back rattle until we find the third one. Where is... That's metallic. Oh! Was that it? No, surely not. No, and now it's lost forever because... Oh my word. What a stupid setup. So what did that screw into if not? Let's try it again. Literally flying blind. That is not it. Oh, got it. Now for that mysterious third one. Of course, it's a black screw on the black carpet. Okay, so I have 2 tools going down there. Guess we're running 2. Alright, we're running 2. I don't care that much. Right, so she's all back together. Minus that one screw. Anyway, in amongst all my crap, I'm sure it'll turn up. It's probably bounced underneath the seat. Anyway, we'll figure it out one day. It's my neighbour with his Turbo Falcon. It's a nice car. Maybe I should have bought one of those instead of this heap. So that should have fixed it for probably 5-6 weeks. We'll see how we go. Alright, catch it.